Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn to find the special angles using the right angle triangle. Secondly, you will learn the trick of using your palm to find the special angles without using the calculator. Third, you also learn to solve questions involving special angles. Okay, let's see what is special angle formula and how to obtain them. Okay, so in order to derive all the values here, you have to remember two values. That will be sine 30 degree and tangent 45. Okay, now sine 30 degree is 1 over 2 and tangent 45 degree is 1. Okay, using these two values, we will be able to complete this table. Okay, let's try. Okay, so here let's say it is 30 degree. Okay, that means over here it will be 60 degree. Okay, and here one more triangle with 45 degree and balance here. If here 45, 90, here will be another 45 degree. Okay, so using these two triangles, we will be able to find the rest of the values. So here, let's start with sine 30 degree. So given sine 30 degree as 1 over 2, that means the opposite is 1, the hypotenuse is 2. So using Pythagoras theorem, you will be able to find the third side. So that will be square root of 3. Okay, so now we have a complete triangle. Okay, now let's find sine 30 degree. So sine 30 degree will be, okay, we have the value that is 1 over 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree will be adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, therefore it is square root of 3 over 2. Next, tangent 30 degree. So tangent will be opposite over adjacent. Okay, it is 1 over square root of 3. Okay, now let's find sine 60. So sine 60 will be opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, it is square root of 3 over 2. Next, cos 60 degree. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over 2. Next, tangent 60. Tangent opposite over adjacent. So square root of 3 over 1. So it is square root of 3. Okay, let's move on to the second triangle. So here we know tangent 45 as 1. That means tangent will be opposite over adjacent. So here it have to be 1 over 1 in order to get 1. Okay, so tangent 45 is 1 over 1 equals to 1. So using these two sides, we can find the third one. So the third side or the hypotenuse here is square root of 2. Okay, so now let's complete this table. Sine 45. So sine 45 will be opposite over hypotenuse. So 1 over square root of 2. Okay, cos 45 adjacent over hypotenuse. Again 1 over square root of 2. And the last one, tangent 45 is 1. So with that, we have completed the table, and this is how you obtain the special angles using the right angle triangle. So just make sure you remember these two values. So using these two values, you will be able to derive and find the values here. Special angle and the tricks. Okay, now here I'm going to use the palm to show you the tricks to remember the special angles. Now here you have to do the labeling. Okay, so we start with the thumb as 0 degree, followed by 30 degree, 45, 60, and the last one will be 90 degree. Now remember, in order to find sine theta, the formula you need to remember is square root of fingers on the left over 2. So let's say now I want to find sine 0. So sine 0, so start with the thumb here. Okay, on the left hand side of thumb, okay, there is no finger. Therefore, here it will be square root of 0 over 2. Okay, which will give you a value of 0. Followed by the second finger. That is for sine 30. So sine 30, so the number of fingers on the left, okay, we have 1. So it is square root of 1 over 2. Simplify this, you will get 1 over 2. Now continue with sine 45. Okay, for sine 45, on the left you have 2 fingers. So square root of 2 over 2. Now this one you have to do some calculation. Okay, so here you have square root of 2 over 2. Again, sine 45. Okay, refer to the middle finger here. So on the left you have 2 fingers. So the formula will be square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so simplify this. You will have square root of 2 over square root of 2. Okay, now remember, square root of 2 times square root of 2, it will be 2. So 2 divide 2, left 1 over square root of 2. Okay, therefore sine 45 will be 1 over square root of 2. Okay, next for sine 60, on the left you have 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the answer will be square root of 3 over 2. Next, for 90 degree, on the left you have 4 fingers. So square root of 4 over 2, that will be 1. Okay, now so we do the same thing for cos. Now for cos, okay, starting from cos 0, you have to refer the fingers on the right. So on the right you have 4 fingers altogether. So square root of 4 over 2, that will be 1. Okay, next for 30 degree, cos 30, on the left you have 3 fingers. Therefore it is square root of 3 over 2. And remember, sine 45 and cos 45, they are complementary angles. Therefore they have the same value. Next, cos 60. Cos 60, on the right you have 1 finger. So square root of 1 over 2. Therefore cos 60 is 1 over 2. Next, cos 90. Okay, for cos 90, on the right you do not have any finger, therefore it is 0 over 2. Okay, or the value will be 0. Okay, next let's find tangent theta. So in order to find tangent theta, you have to square root left fingers on the left over square root fingers on the right. Okay, so let's start with the tangent 0. Okay, so for tangent 0, fingers on the left will be 0 over square root of 4. Okay, you simplify that. Okay, you will get 0. Next, tangent 30. So square root of 1, okay, on the left you have 1 finger, so square root of 1 over square root of 3. Okay, so square root of 1 is 1, square root of 3, just leave it as square root of 3. Okay, next tangent 45. Tangent 45, that will be square root of 2 fingers. On the left you have 2 fingers, so square root of 2 over, on the right you have another 2 fingers, so square root of 2. So square root of 2 over square root of 2 will be 1. Okay, next tangent 60. So tangent 60, for tangent 60, square root of 3 over square root of 1. Okay, simplify, you'll get square root of 3. Next, tangent 90. Okay, for tangent 90, on the left you have 4 fingers, so square root of 4 over, on the right you do not have any fingers, therefore it is over square root of 0. Okay, so any number over 0, that will give you undefined value, therefore it is infinity. So you can use this trick to find the value of the special angles. Okay, question 1. Use trigonometric ratio for special angles 30 degree, 45 and 60 to find the value for the following. Okay, so here you cannot use calculator. You have to use the trigonometric ratio for special angles to complete this question. Okay, so first question is tangent 300 degree. So here tangent 300, the angle given is positive angle, therefore you move from positive x-axis, you move in anti-clockwise direction until you reach 300 degree. Okay, here in this case you will stop at 4th quadrant. Okay, in 4th quadrant, remember only cos is positive. Okay, now here 300, if this is 300 degree, therefore the acute angle is 60 degree. Remember, the acute angle must lie between the x-axis and the radius. So this is the radius, this is the x-axis. So the acute angle in 4th quadrant, now it is 60 degree. Okay, so let's continue with the question. So tangent 300, in 4th quadrant, tangent will be negative. So therefore negative tangent and followed by the acute angle. So the acute angle here is 60 degree. Since you are asked to use the trigonometric ratio for special angles, so I'm going to use the palm tricks to find the answer of tangent 60. Remember, tangent, the formula is square root of fingers on left over finger on the right. Okay, so here we want to find tangent 60. Okay, so tangent 60. Okay, so tangent 60, so fingers on the left we have 1, 2, 3 fingers, so it is negative square root of 3 over fingers on the right. On the right we have only 1, so square root of 1 will be 1, therefore it is the final answer will be negative square root of 3. So this will be the answer. Okay, so without using the calculator we have solved to find tangent 300. Okay, question B, given cos negative 405. Okay, now remember negative, the angle given is negative, therefore you have to move in clockwise direction. So here we need 405 degree. So if you complete one circle, it will be 360 degree. So plus another 45 degree in order to get a total of 405 degree. Okay, so here the acute angle is 45 degree. Okay, and you are in 4th quadrant now. Okay, in fourth quadrant, cos will be positive. So cos negative 405 equals to, it is positive because we reach quadrant 4. Okay, and the acute angle here is 45 degree. Now using the palm trick, so here is the finger. Okay, you have to refer fingers on the right. For cos, you have to refer to the fingers on the right. So cos 45 degree will be square root of 2 over 2. Now this one you have to simplify. So times square root of 2 over square root of 2. Okay, so square root of 2 times square root of 2, you will get 2 over 2 square root 2. Simplify this, you get 1 over square root of 2. So sine cos 45 equals to 1 over square root of 2. So this will be your final answer. Okay, question C. You are asked to find the value of cosecant negative 120 degree. Okay, remember cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Therefore, you can rewrite cosecant negative 120 as 1 over sine negative 120 degree. So here negative 120 is negative angle, therefore from positive x-axis you will go in clockwise direction. Okay, so this is 120 degree, therefore the acute angle will be 60 degree. Okay, and you are in third quadrant. Remember, in third quadrant only tangent is positive. Okay, therefore now let's continue. So 1 over, okay, sine in third quadrant will be negative. So negative sine acute angle here is 60 degree. Okay, now using the palm you can find the 60 degree. So sine, for sine 60 degree, the formula will be square root of fingers on the left over 2. So fingers on the left will be, here total we have 3 fingers, therefore it is square root of 3 over 2. So sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2. So substitute here, you will get negative 1 over square root of 3 over 2. So the over 2 can move up, therefore the final answer is 2 over square root of 3. Now the palm method is only a trick of getting the trigonometric ratio for special angles. You can also use the right angle triangle to get the value of the special angles. With that, we have come to the end of the lesson. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more videos.